Parrots are highly intelligent birds and have been shown to possess problem solving skills and the ability to learn complex tasks. They have a remarkable memory and can recall words, phrases, and sounds even after long periods of time. Parrots have a specialized bone in their lower beak called the pseudo-tongue or tongue bone, which helps them manipulate food and mimic human speech. Some parrots, like the African grey parrot, have been known to have the cognitive ability of a 4 to 6-year-old child. Parrots are native to tropical and subtropical regions around the world, including Central and South America, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Oceania. They are highly social birds and form strong bonds with their human caretakers or fellow parrots. Many parrot species are monogamous and mate for life. Parrots have a unique way of cooling down by using their beaks to release excess body heat. They are excellent climbers and can maneuver their way through trees and branches with ease. Parrots love to play and enjoy toys, puzzles, and interactive activities. They are natural acrobats and can perform impressive aerial maneuvers. Parrots communicate using a variety of vocalizations, body language, and facial expressions. Some parrot species, like the kakapo from New Zealand, are flightless and have adapted to ground-dwelling lifestyles. Parrots have a strong sense of rhythm and can bob their heads or dance to music. They have a unique digestive system that allows them to consume a variety of foods, including fruits, nuts, seeds, flowers, and even insects. Parrots are known for their ability to imitate sounds, including human speech, other bird calls, and household noises. They have a specialized gland called the uropygeal gland or preen gland that produces an oil used for grooming and maintaining the health of their feathers. Some parrot species, such as the Ecelitus parrot, exhibit sexual dimorphism where males and females have different appearances. Parrots have a strong sense of curiosity and enjoy exploring their surroundings and investigating new objects.